Welcome back, everybody. I'm Brett Wilson here, and welcome to Brett's Wednesday, episode number 10. That's right, this is the 10th episode. It's the special one. So, in this video, we are going to make Rice Krispie buns. So let's get the ingredients. The ingredients you need are Galaxy chocolate, bun wrappers, Rice Krispies, and the bowl to melt the chocolate. Make sure your hands are clean when you touch the chocolate. Now we're going to put the chocolate in the bowl. Look at this. It's kind of scrumming. Oh my goodness. That is not a Rice Krispie bun. I thought my mouth was in the bowl. Now we have to stir it. Get the hang of it now. We're gonna pour the chocolate in now and mix it.
This is good. So, yeah, this is very tasty.
Wait! What about my favorite part? It's licking the spoon and bowl. Oh. About that? It's good. I'm gonna lick the bowl. So good. Also, there's mouth on my face. There's chocolate in my face. Good. I like it. Now let's fill up some bun cases. That's the first one. Second one. This is gonna be good. I want to add a little bit more. There we go. That's the second done. Up to the third. It's gonna take a while. A little bit. Go. Oh, so. Okay. One side. Whoops. Oops. Oopsie doodles. Oh, my hands are tight. My goodness. That's my crispy buns made. And I'm gonna put it to harden. And alright guys, that's it for the 10th episode of BRET'S Wednesday. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in episode 11 next week and next Wednesday. So, bye! See you in the next episode!